All glories to God. Warm welcome to one and all. In this video, we will see how we can add reference in the research article and also PhD dissertations, PhD thesis, and the MPhil, MSc dissertations. At the time of writing a research article, we are facing so many troubles and so many burdens, especially in reference column, because each and every journal possesses their own reference format. According to that, we continuously changing the reference format in our research article based on the research journal. Here, so many softwares are there, but we've forgotten to use their softwares. Yes, a person, those who unable to use these technologies, that persons are simply outdated. Yes, so as a professional, we should use these softwares and manage to write our research article very easily. Yeah, let me show you how we can use this research article. The writing a reference is very easy because at the time of writing reference, I hope everyone know at the time of doing PhD, the typing a reference is very difficult because at the time of typing the full stop, comma, and the year and the book, other name first and the initial second, these are the so many difficulties because each and every universities also follows a different format for the references. Here, one software is available. Now I tell how to use this software to easily write or easily manage the reference during writing research article and also PhD and the MPhil theses. Okay, first in Google, you will, please wait. First, I share my screen. In the screen, you can easily see how to use these references in our day-to-day writing. Yeah. First in Google, you go to Google and type the Mendeley. Mendeley is one of the good software. This software is developed by Elsevier Group. Okay, the software is developed by Elsevier Group. Okay, the software is developed by Elsevier Group, so it is easy to write our references in our research article. Yeah, let me see. First, you go to Mendeley, download the Mendeley Reference Manager, and you download the Mendeley Reference Manager software in your system. Yeah, it is the Mendeley, the Windows for our desktop. Yeah, I already downloaded the Mendeley and installed in my system. Okay, I already downloaded the Mendeley and installed in my system. You see, after downloaded in the home page, the Mendeley desktop is there. If just to open the Mendeley desktop, it directly enter into the home screen. At the time of first entering into the Mendeley, after you download, you first register with the Mendeley through your mail ID. For it is very easiest step. The same way of how we can create our mail ID. First you download the website, then in the website first to sign up. Sign up means sign up with your mail ID. Then after the sign up, it is a home page. It's a home page of your Mendeley website. In that home page, we can add the files and so many things. Okay, here we simply add the reference, add the PDF. What are the articles we studied, or what are the articles we referred? That article PDF we can save here. So for simply downloaded the PDF or simply add the PDF to load in it. For example, here it's a R button file. One R button is there. In that R button, I click. So it directly enter into the my home screen where I put my research article. My research article in D colon or C colon or somewhere in C colon. Yeah, in GVM file. You can add the metal toxicity. In metal toxicity folder. Okay, yeah, it is a metal toxicity. I get so many research article. So I click one or two research article to add in this page. Okay, now my research article is added. Here also we can create folder, because at the time of writing research article, for one research article, we collected certain type of research articles. Okay, for writing one research article, we collected the certain type of article or certain type of reference. For that, here we can create as a folder. You see, here I created a folders of 4 folders: Amaranthus, environmental pollution, and the plant physiology test. In each folder, I stored some articles. Okay, these are the articles I referred and I stored in this folder. And environmental pollution also, there are so many articles I saved. And even in reference, I saved a few articles. And Amaranthus, I saved a few articles. Okay, it is a first step. First, you download the Mendeley desktop software from Google. Then you sign up in the software. After that, you collect your collection of reference stored inside this software. Then we start to writing the research article. First, start a new window, new Word document. In that new Word document, we may type a research article. Here, I already typed one research article, and I simply paste my article here. Yeah, it is my research article. I typed it here. Okay, my research article I typed it here. Here, first, after you install Mendeley in your desktop, you also Word plugin in Mendeley software. Word plugin means it is not. It is just a simple method. In Mendeley software, one toolbox is there. In toolbox, you install MS Word plugin. Okay. After the installation of Mendeley software in your desktop, you just go to the toolbox. In toolbox, install the WebBeamer. Here I already installed, so that install the uninstall MS Word plugin. But at the first time, if you open in the toolbox, here the install MS Word plugin. So you just click that button, then the MS Word plugins are installed in your Mendeley desktop. After that, if you select the Word document, in the Word document, there are in home pages, the home, insert, page layout, reference, and so on things. In reference, if you click the reference, in reference, the Mendeley is also present here. See, the Mendeley, open Mendeley, and insert citation. This page will come. Okay, only after you plug in a MS Word plugin. Okay, after installing the one thing you don't forget, after installing the Mendeley software, you should add the MS Word plugin in toolbox. Okay, in Mendeley desktop, in toolbox, MS Word plugin. Then you add the collection, your reference collection stored in this Word plugin. After that, you type the research article. After you type the first paragraph, in introduction, first paragraph I typed. In first paragraph, here I want to add some reference. Okay, after the global issue, here I want to add certain reference. That reference should be which journal format? In reference page. Okay, in Word document, after you type, you go to the reference page. In reference page, it is a reference model. In this reference model, you go to the reference tail. Okay, it is a reference tail. In reference tail, just you click this box. There are so many journals reference tail. But in India, especially in Tamil Nadu, we generally follow the APA journal format. That means American Psychology Association 7th edition. Okay, it is American Psychological Association edition. There are so many reference format. Just here, I want my reference in American Psychological Association 7th edition. So I click the reference format. Then here I add citation. Citation where I want add citation, I put cursor there. Then I click insert citation. If I click insert citation, directly it goes to the Mendeley home page. In Mendeley home page, here I simply type. The summary from research article. Yes, that means the articles, the author name, article title name. For example, if I type a phytoemulsion, because these articles are already stored in my Mendeley software. Only stored reference we add here. So before we add reference, we should store our collection of reference in Mendeley software. Okay. So if I type the Kaichway accumulation, If I want these reference or these reference here, just click the reference and OK. Here formatting citation, then our reference are automatically added there, the author name citation as per this journal format. Then I add second reference here. For example, in animals, after animals, here I want to add second reference. I click here and I type one of the other name or one of the other name Kumar. If I type, okay, KU, yeah, K is K Sagap and some other special. I click here. Here the second citation is there. And third citation, here I want to type the article. I want to type this third citation. I simply click here and I type the author name or journal name or the title name. For example, bio. If I want to type plant response to tolerance the accumulation. This reference I click here. The references are simply there. And you see the one of the reference are here. Then finally, in bibliography or in reference, I want to form this. Okay, I want to conclude this reference here. So I just put cursor here, and in the reference page, there the insert bibliography. I just click the insert bibliography. Then the bibliography is there. So here I do nothing. I simply insert my references in Mendeley desktop. Then I add Word plugin. In the Word plugin, I just click cursor where I need reference. I add, then I click insert citation. I click the article name. Just click my article, and my reference are also formatting here. And the last page also, the bibliography is added. That's all. The bibliography is added as per the alphabetical order, as per the journal format. It is very easiest way. It's a very simple software. Okay. If the citation is some other journal format, for example, the Chicago Manual, just click this format. The reference is automatically found. You see, the reference automatically changed. Our DOI number is also added in this format. Then I want to reference in some other journal, for example, Nature journal format. If I click Nature, see, yeah, the number 1 to 3 is added. Here also the number 1 to 3 is added. You see, introduction, the first verify, issue, the first reference. It just added in the form of number 1. See, number 1. Here, the number 1, the article is there. If I change the American Medical Association, the article is changed. The American Medical Association in the number format within the article, and outside the modern language format. Okay, also, here see it is in the form of the etal under the other name in the text, and also in reference in other name. It's the simplest way to add reference in Mendeley in our research article with the help of Mendeley. I hope it is easily understood by you, and you can use it. You can try it. Okay, practice makes perfect. I hope all you understand how to add reference in your article in easiest method. It is very helpful to you. Do you have any doubt? You feel free, comment in the comment box. Okay. Thank you very much. Good luck.